Hey guys, hope you guys are having a great day. I'm actually in New Jersey doing some exploring with my best friend in the car. I see this, we're kind of like at a abandoned like chicken coop. So I want to see what's inside, but I'm not going to go in too far because I don't know what's in there. Like I said, it's pretty creepy out here. Like I said, I don't know what, like I said, I don't know what happened to this place, but it's pretty cool. And like I said, I lived in New Jersey all my life and had no idea that Jersey had abandoned places like this, but what place doesn't, right? You know? And this is my best friend. Say hi, Mayor. That's my best friend. All right, well, I guess I'll probably get in the car and try to see if we see anything new. Maybe go find something else abandoned, something else creepy. That's not illegal to get into. All right, man. Bye. All right, so we're actually at another location, which is actually next door to the chicken coop where I was at. So let's go look at these creepy places right now. Okay. Okay, so we're at another location, and I'm gonna walk right over to it right now.